In this short video, I will show you how you can transform your illustration into a silhouette in Affinity Photo. First, select your image. Now remove the image background. There are various ways you can remove backgrounds. Choose any one you prefer. I have made several videos on this topic and completed a dedicated playlist on this topic. Here I am using the flood selection tool to remove this solid background. After that, go to the adjustment. Use exposure and decrease it. Almost done. Go to File. Export. Now main part saves this image as a transparent PNG format. If you found this video helpful, then watch the next video that appears on your screen. You will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.